This video is for the umpteen number of folks who said I talked too much on the Cornbread Salad collaboration video with Super at 60, my friend Darlene. The video was about sharing our experiences with church dinners, but apparently a lot of folks didn't like that conversation and that amount of conversation, so they wanted just the tutorial. I am sharing that tutorial here today, a video tutorial, and also the recipes can be found. Two recipes can be found at heritageways.com and also in my first cookbook, which can be purchased at heritageways.com.